pruning and cleaning, I'm going to show you guys right now how to pick a watermelon. All the signs you have to follow right here. You want to make sure your watermelon is dull, the color is dull. You don't want it to like gloss or shine or anything. You want it like faded. Then come down right here, follow your melon, and then look for this right here. This is the tendril. Once this tendril is brown, that's another sign. I'm going to tell you to flip this watermelon over. If you see a nice yellow spot right there, that's a nice sign right there. You see this right here? That's spider webbing, like it looks like spider webs right there. That's an indication there too, it's ready. Hold on, we probably got another one. Look at this big one right here. That's good. And then my last one, it sounds hollow. Now looking at this right here, we could leave this for another 4 or 5 days. Let this get more dark yellow and it'll be even better. But my daughter is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and harvest. Juice. It's a good sign of juice. All right, let's take a look. Wow, look at that. All right, so we're gonna take a look right here. See all the seeds right there? Those are good seeds. We could always replant the black one. So let's go ahead and chop this up and put it to the taste. The taste is very important. Could have leaving it for a couple more days, but this is perfect. Wow, my 2 dogs are waiting. Hold on, I'll give you guys. Delicious. Well worth it. And it's seeds. It's seeds because it's real, it's natural, and it's very flavorful and delicious. Now we're gonna give the kids and we're gonna see what the kids think about it because I love it. Just wanted to show you the juice. Look at all that juice right there. This is a juicy, delicious, tasty watermelon. So my kids are in the bouncy house, so we're gonna see what they think. Come on, let's see what you guys think. All right, grab a piece. Grab 1 slice. Grayson Jacks. And I want to hear what you guys think. Take your first bite. Watch out for the seeds. Spit out the seeds. I want to hear what you guys think.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah, why?
Is it juicy? Flavor?
It's so juicy. 10 out of 10 rate.
What you said?
10 out of 10 rate.
10 out of 10.
Yep.
Where did you did with your piece? I just give you a piece. Where did you put it? Oh, you already eating a piece? Come. What do you think, Pep? So it's very juicy and very delicious, and we're gonna put half of it in the fridge. All right, I'm telling you, outstanding. I'm gonna write everything in the description box below, so follow my tips and harvest delicious, juicy watermelon. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos on Green Tea Garden. I'll see you guys next time.